Hey gearheads! Today we're talking suspension upgrades for C10s, specifically how to get the most rear travel possible when lowering your truck without killing your ride quality or frame integrity. I've got something simple but super effective, the CPP C-Notch kit for 63 to 72 Chevy C10 trucks. Let's dive in. If you're dropping your C10 4 inches or more, you have to address the rear frame notch, otherwise your suspension literally runs out of room and binds up. That's where this kit comes in. This is the Classic Performance Products C-Notch kit, specifically made for 63 to 72 Chevy half-ton C10s. Let's look at the kit features. Adds 3 inches of rear suspension travel. Bolt-in, no welding required. Includes grade 8 hardware and bump stops. Constructed from 1/4-inch steel plate for strength. Required if you're lowering 4 inches or more on your rear suspension. This isn't just a part you hope fits, this is engineered for your truck and installs cleanly. If you slam your rear without a notch, the axle will hit the frame before you get any compression, which means harsh bumps, binding suspension, and potential frame damage. This CPP C-Notch gives the clearance you need to get the most out of your lowered setup. Installation of this kit is straightforward, just remove rear springs. Mark and cut the frame for clearance. Bolt the kit in with the included grade 8 hardware. Reinstall springs and bump stops. No welding, no fabrication, just a proper bolt-in C-Notch that lets your truck's suspension perform properly. Once installed, you get better ride quality at low ride heights, more rear travel without harsh stops, a safer, stronger frame connection for lowered suspension. Plus, it pairs perfectly with other upgrades like trailing arms, coilovers, and big brake kits if you're going big build on your C10. This is ideal for anyone lowering a 63 to 72 C10 4 inches or more, whether you've got a street cruiser, show truck, or weekend warrior. If you want that slammed look with performance to match, you don't want to skip the C-Notch, especially this bolt-on CPP solution. That's it for this video, and remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.